What's up, guys? I would like to welcome you to this series. In this series, we'll be just creating just a basic HTML form. So we'll go from writing our code in HTML, moving on to CSS, then JavaScript, where we collect our data. So please stay tuned. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for recurring views. I really appreciate it. Please smash the like button and also follow me. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be using CodePen. You can just type in on your favorite browser CodePen .io, and then you should be able to be there, and then you can just register and then just follow all the basic steps, guys, and then you have to create your pen. You can click here to create a pen. So as you can see, it's just loading. So we're just setting up our working environment. So guys, yeah, please just like and subscribe. So as you can see, this is a new pen. Everything is in order for us to begin. But yeah, so yeah, this is just an introduction. So I'll be seeing you on the next a video where we just get started on our project. Thank you, guys. See you on the next slide.